guys, welcome back to my channel, Ramz Tutorial Educational Channel. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell icon and click the bell button so that you're updated in our latest tutorial. Today guys, we're going to discuss about different topics. Welcome back again to Ramz Tutorial. Guys, welcome back to Ramz Tutorial Educational Channel. In this video guys, we're going to discuss about dividing whole numbers by a fraction or vice versa. And dividing these numbers by fractions using vice versa, we have first our example on how to solve it. Aling Juana has 4/5 hectares of farmland. She wants to plant it with 4 different ornamental plants. Question: how much land will she have for each plant? In order to solve this one guys, we have first the following steps. So we have step 1. We're going to copy the given equations. 4/5 divide 4. So we are going to write the number sentence. This is the first step. You have to know this in order to divide or applying your skills in dividing whole numbers using fractions, or it should be vice versa. Again, step 1, you have to copy 4/5 for our given equations and then 4 different ornamental plants. 4/5 divide 4 because we need to divide it. Step 2, rewrite 4/5 divide 4/1. 1 is our reciprocal. Remember that. We rename the whole number in fraction, division. That's for our step 2. Next, step 3. 4/5 times 1/4. We are going to write the reciprocal of the division. Then we can proceed to multiplications. That's step 1, step 2, and step 3. Next steps, we have step 4. In step 4 class, we have 4/5 times 1/4. Okay, we're going to rewrite 4/5 times 1/4. We need to multiply that. 4 times 1 and 5 times 4. We have numerator multiplying both numerator to numerator and both denominators to denominator. So 4 times 1, obviously class, it's 4. 5 times 4, the answer is 20. We have 420. Next thing to do, we're going to write the product of the numerators over the product of the denominators, and we need to reduce the answer to lowest term if possible. Okay, if it is possible class, it means to say kapag kinakailangan po ito, you need to reduce it to lowest term or LT. Step 5, or the last step class, remember you have to follow this. Step 5, rewrite 420 divide 4. Okay, when you divide that, we need to use our what we call the GCF. GCF class for 4 and 20. So we have GCF using 4. Okay, so we need to divide 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. Therefore, the lowest term is 1/5. This can be read as 1/5 or 1/5. You need to divide the fraction by the greatest common factor or GCF to express the answer to its lowest term or LT. The lowest term of 420 class is 1/5. This will be our last step or what we call the answer. Okay? Again, step 1, let's read it. Write the number sentenced. Step 2, rename the whole number in fraction division. Step 3, write the reciprocal of the division, then proceed to multiplication. Step 4, write the product of the numerators over the product of the denominators. And don't forget that, reduce the answer to lowest term if possible. And for the fifth step, or step 5, divide the fraction by the GCF, or greatest common factor, to express the answer to its lowest term. That's it, class. So that is our how to solve in our first word problem for our sample about Aling Juana. Okay, she wants to divide the 4/5 hectares of her farmland, and she wanted to plant it with 4 different ornamental plants. And she asked how much lands will she have for each plant. So the answer is 1/5 of it. Okay, that's our answer. Next, my dear viewers, let's proceed to our motivation process. Our motivation or activity we are going to answer 1 to 10. For number 1 class, I am going to read first the given equation, number 1. 2/3 divide 1/3 is equal to n. We're going to find the answer. 2, 5, 6 divide 1/8 is equal to n. We need to find the number or the exact answer. 6 divide 5, 6 is equal to n. 5 divide 4, 8 is equal to n. So we need to find this class, the number or the answers until 10. So we have here a space here. We need to use this space first. So we need to solve it for number 1. Okay, solution class. So I'm going to solve it. Number 1. To given for number 1, we have 2/3 divide 1/3 is equal to n. So we're going to find it out, the answer for number 1. Let's rewrite that first for class. We have 2/3. So the division symbol changes to multiplication symbol times 1/3. Okay, so we are going to multiply both numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 2 times 1, the answer is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 2, 9. So Teacher Ram, is that we need to reduce it to over 9? So I think class, there is no GCF for 2 and 9 because 9, it can't be divided by 2. So this will be our final answer. But we need to reduce, remember class, if it is possible. Kapag pwede po. Okay? If it is possible. So our answer is 2, 9 for number 1. Next, number 2. So remember class, I am going to use what you call sonar case of few months ago siguro after that in a whiteboard. Okay, for number 2 class, 5, 6 divide 1/8. Please follow guys. Okay, so that you can solve your answer or solve your assignment. So we're going to write divide 1/8 first is equal to n. So we need to find the answer. So we have to rewrite, copy 5, 6. Sorry, I forget to write the equal sign so that it is clear for you. Change the division symbol to multiplication symbol, then 1/8. Then multiply that. 5 times 1, the answer is 5. Just it, class. 6 times 8 is 48. Next, we're going to find it, what you call the greatest common factor between 5 and 48. Since 5, so if we need to write 5, the GCF, it can't be to 48 class. So if 6 cannot be, if 5, it's 48. So this will be our answer. Okay, that's for number 2. So we're going to find another what we call bond paper, so extra pad paper for number 3. Just like in school class, we need to have an extra sheet of paper. This will serve as our answer sheet. answer number 2. Okay, service number 2. So we end in number 2. So we need to proceed to, okay, number 3. Okay, please follow, guys. We need to write the given 6 divide 5 6 is equal to n. So we need to find the reciprocal of 6 class. So we need to write 6 over 1 times, change the division symbol to multiplication symbol, 5 6. Okay, so we need to solve it. Okay, so 6 times 5 and 1 times 6 class. So we have 30 over 6. So next step, we need to find the GCF. Since class here, our answer is 30 over 6. This is what we call improper fraction. That's improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to divide it. I'll show you, class. 30 divide 6. So how many 6 and 30? So we need to write it 5. Multiply that step by step, class. 5 times 6, the answer is 30. So therefore the answer is 5. This will be our answer for number 3. Okay, that's for number 3. Number 4. Please follow, guys. 5 divide 4 8 is equal to n. So we need to find it. So we need to find the reciprocal of 5. We're going to write 5 1. Change the division symbol to multiplication, 4 8. 5 times 4 and 1 times 8. Or you can reverse 1 and 5 here, class. Okay, so we need to write 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 8 is 8. So therefore our answer is 20 over 8. Same procedure, guys. We need to divide 20 because the numerator is greater than denominator. Divide 8. How many 8 and 20, class? So we need to write 2 times 8. This is 16. So we need to subtract. This become 10. This become 1. So this is 0. So this is 4. So our answer, class, is, okay, 2 and 4 8. This will be our answer. 2 and 4 8. Mixed number. The answer becomes mixed number, class. Okay, that's for number 4. Okay, that's clear, guys. So let's proceed to number 5. Okay, for number 5, we have 24 divide 6 8 is equal to n. We need to find the answer. So rewrite. We can reverse also 1, class. Remember, it's just like this, 24 over 1. Change the division symbol to multiplication, 6 over 8. Okay, just like that. So we can reverse it also, class, just like that. 1 over 24 times 6 over 28. Just like that. But we need to follow this. Okay, so we need to multiply and like that. So here, 24 times 6. So I'm sure you guys how to multiply. 24 times 6. So 4, that's 24. 12, 13, that's 14. So we're going to write 144. 1 times 8 is 8, so 8. So we need to divide it. 144 divide 8. So how many 8 in 14? So it's 1. So 8, subtract, so becomes 14. So we have 6, so bring down 4, so we have 8. 0, so the answer is 18. So will be our answer for number 5. Next, number 6. Okay, for number 6, we have 3/4 divide 1/4. Okay, it's up here class. Let's rewrite. Okay, 3/4. Change that to multiplication symbol, the division symbol. 1/4. 3 times 1 and 4 times 4. Okay, it's our first here. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 4 is 16. So we need to find it the reciprocal or the GCF of 16. So we need to find it here. If it is okay for what we call 43. So it's not. So therefore this will be our final answer. 3/16. That's for number 6. Okay, number 7 class. Okay, number 7 we have 12 divide 4/5. Okay, this will be the given. So let's rewrite. Rewrite the reciprocal of 12 is 1 times 4/5. Change the division symbol to multiplication. Multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 12 times 4, I'll show you. So we have 8. So we write 48/5 because 1 times 5 is 5. So therefore class, we need to divide it. I'll show you. How many 5 in 48? It's 9 times 5, 45, so 3. So the answer class is mixed number 9 and 3/5. This will be our answer for number 7. So the n here is equal to 9 and 3/5 for number 7. Okay, please follow guys. Next is number 8. Okay, for number 8 we have 9 divide 1/6 is equal to n. Please follow guys, that's for number 8. Rewrite it, rename it to fraction using the reciprocal of 1, change division symbol to multiplication symbol, then rewrite 1/6. Then start multiplying numerator and denominator to denominator. So we have the answer is 9/6. So since 9 is greater, so we need to divide it. 9 divided 6, so 1. So 6 subtract, so 3. So therefore the answer is 1 and 3/6. Mixed number guys. The answer 1 and 3/6. That's for number 8. Okay, that's the procedure. Number 9. We have the problem. How many 2/5 can you get from 4/5? So we need there 2/5 guys divide 4/5. So rewrite it 2/5. Change division symbol to multiplication symbol guys. That's the easiest way on how to divide whole numbers by a fraction, vice versa. This is what we call vice versa guys. Okay, here multiply that, so 8, 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so there is no GCF for 8 and 25. So this will be our, where's my word? Okay, here. Final answer 8/25. That's for number 9. Okay, number 10 guys, please watch. Let us read the problem. How many 3/4 meter pieces of ribbon can be cut from 40 meter of ribbon? So let's have copy first for our number 10. Let's follow guys. 3/4 divide 40 is equal to n. Okay, and that's it. Then follow this step from step 1 to step 2. Let us first here write the Equal sign, it should be step by step, guys. I rewrite 3/4, change the division symbol, times, multiplication symbol, then we write 40, then the reciprocal of 40 is 1. That's, guys, so you need to multiply now. Then 3 times 40. So I'm going to show you, guys, so that it is clear for you. So 0 times 3 is 0, 4 times 3 is 12. So we're going to write here 120, guys. 1 times 4 is 4. Teacher Ram, is this the final answer? Yeah, we consider this final answer, but we need to reduce that, because this is what we call, what kind of fraction is this? Improper fraction, class. Remember that when the numerator is greater or big than denominator, that means to say improper fraction. So I'm going to solve it. I am going to show you, class, how to reduce that. So simply, you are going to divide numerator to denominator. We have to write it 120, guys, divide 4. So how many? 12 and 4, so we need to write 3. Then multiply, guys. So 12, subtract that 0, bring down 0, so we need to add here. So therefore, the n here, guys, is 30. So that's our final answer. Hope, my dear viewers, you really understand how to solve or divide whole number by a fraction or vice versa. This will be our answer sheet number 2, class. That's our answer sheet number 2. And problem with activity and solution, my dear viewers. Hope you can follow to Ramz tutorial educational channel, guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new here to my channel. Please click the notification bell icon so that you're updated on our latest video tutorial. Hope to see you guys for our next video tutorial. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. God bless us.